The 3 C's for the perfect mutton dry is what I'm going to show you, and I'm sure you will try it and then you will thank me saying that this 3 C's really worked. It gave me a different flavor and it was delicious. Hey guys, welcome to FoodsMemory channel. I am your VGPG DJ for tonight. Come on, let's jump on to make the mutton dry fry, which is very delicious. So the secret here for the 3 C's is what I have just added. If you're seeing the video, it's a cinnamon, cloves and cumins. That doesn't mean you end the video watching it here. I want you to watch it till the end so that you will know the more secrets and more upcoming shows what we are going to give to our exclusive viewers. Okay, to start with, for the mutton dry, of course you could have seen it that we have mixed it with a bit of salt and turmeric powder and the 3 C's and just green chili. Here the green chilies can be increased based on your spiciness, how much you want it. And then let's cook it in a cooker. We will do whistle it for let's say 3 to 4 or 4 should be good enough. And meanwhile it gets cooked, let's cut a few of the vegetable to make it fry. Okay, so take a note of the onions, coriander and curry leaves, and the one which we have cut thin sliced. Let's take a pan and then add some oil and a fine chopped garlic. This is the another secret what I would like to say. It should be fine chopped. When I say it's like hardly 1 or 2 mm of thickness, and then fine chopped onion. Stir fry it till it becomes a golden color or golden brownish. That is a golden rule for onions whenever you stir fry it in an oil. And then add curry leaves. Again, let's make the curry leaves a bit of an oiliness and a bit of a crunchy. And let's not forget to add ginger garlic paste. Again, don't get confused with the garlic which has been fine chopped and whether the ginger in the ginger garlic paste, whether the garlic has to be added. Yes, of course it has to be added because it's two different it gives two different flavors while eating. And now whatever has been cooked, the mutton with our secret 3 C's, let's bring it on the pan where we have fried the onion and ginger, right? So here, sorry, garlic. So now let's cook it on this pan, and then on top of that we will add a little bit of red chili powder and coriander powder, and we will add some garam masala, a very a small pinch of garam masala for that to enhance the taste of the mutton fry. And then let's mix it well so that the masalas or the powders gets mixed well, and then let's allow it to cook in a low steam so that we get the perfect delicious soft mutton. Let's cook it in a low flame. Make sure it is always in a low flame when you cook it so that you get the best results of the food. We always encourage and we always recommend our viewers to cook it, especially the non-veggies, to cook it on the low flames to get the best results. Now, as you have seen it, we have topped it with black pepper powder and then coriander leaves and half lemon juice. And then let's allow it to get it dried, and here it is. Our mutton dry is ready. You can club it with any dal or any of the rice items or the chapatis, or even you can have it as a dry as a side dish. I hope you people have enjoyed it. If you liked it, share, subscribe, like it. Thanks for watching.